Hey, what's up everyone? In today's video, I wanted to show you guys how you can boot people offline on Xbox or PlayStation. So if you're interested in learning how to do that, stick around for this tutorial. And basically all that you need is your mobile device, whether you are an Android user or iOS user. So I'm going to be flipping my camera screen over and showing you guys step by step this cool app and how you can download and install it for yourself so that you can do that. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay everyone, so as you can see, I'm on my phone here now. So I want to show you the app first and then show you some adjustments to do so that you can install it yourself in your own mobile device. So it's this app right here. It's the Booter VIP app, as you can see. So once you click on it, this is what it looks like, and you have all the game consoles that you can use. So I had already typed up, for example, the PlayStation one, so I already put an ID here. And you can also do it for like Xbox and other Steam and yeah, many other things. So I'm just gonna do the PlayStation option here. So once you type up, the username and stuff, you can click here where it says find IP, and then it shows the IP address, and basically you click the boot them option, and then it shows up this, and basically you can choose also for how long you want to boot them, and you just start booting them. So that's basically it. If you want to be able to do that yourself, let's go ahead and continue. So first we got to make some adjustments if we are using an iOS device in order to download and install this cool app. So head to your settings if you are using iOS. If you're not using iOS, you don't need to worry about these steps. So once we are in the settings, we're going to click battery. And then we're just going to make sure that we have low power mode turned off and that we have at least 10% battery in our device. And then we are going to head back to our settings and we're going to click general, and then background app refresh up here as well. And we're going to select either Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data. So whichever you prefer is totally fine. Just make sure that you do not select the off option. And then we're going to head back to general and we're going to click about. And here we just want to verify that we have at least iOS 11. So if you don't have at least iOS 11, just make sure that you do upgrade your iOS before you try to download and install the app, just to make sure that it is compatible with your device. All right, so now we're going to head back to our main settings, and we are going to head down to Safari. And then we are going to go all the way down to advanced. And then in advanced, we just want to make sure that we enable JavaScript just like that, and that way we'll make sure that we'll be able to download and install our app in our device without any issues. So that's basically it for our settings adjustments, guys. Now, how are we going to be able to get our app so that we can boot people off on Xbox or PlayStation or even any other game consoles that we have there? So that's pretty simple. So if you want to have this app that I showed you guys, this app right here, for yourselves as well and be able to do that, all you got to do is you head to your web browser, whichever web browser you use, totally fine, and you're just going to head over here. So you're going to type that up in your web browser and you're going to follow some simple instructions there, and you'll be able to get your app. So pretty simple. Go there, follow the instructions and get your app. It's pretty simple. Doesn't take any longer than 5 minutes, and it doesn't take any longer than 5 minutes, and you'll be able to have your app, and that way you'll be able to boot people offline on Xbox, PlayStation, and so much more. So yeah, guys, I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you next time. Bye.